Hey everyone, did you know Microsoft OneNote can record audio directly inside your notes? Whether you're capturing a meeting, recording a lecture, or saving voice reminders, this feature lets you keep your recordings together with your written notes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to record audio in Microsoft OneNote step by step. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and sign in if needed. Navigate to the Notebook section and page where you want to save your audio recording. You can also create a new page specifically for meeting notes or lecture recordings. Next, select the Insert tab on the toolbar. Depending on your version of OneNote, you'll find the Record Audio option here, or it may appear under a different menu such as Home or an Insert dropdown. Click Record Audio and, if prompted, allow OneNote to access your computer's microphone. Once recording begins, speak clearly into your microphone. You can continue taking notes while the recording is in progress. When you're finished, click Stop to end the recording. OneNote automatically saves the audio file directly on the page, so there's no need to save it manually. To listen to your recording later, simply click the audio icon and press play. You can replay the recording whenever you need to review your meeting, lecture, or personal notes. Yeah, it's a really convenient feature for reviewing important conversations. For better organization, give your page a descriptive title and keep related recordings inside the appropriate notebook and section. Doing this makes it much easier to locate recordings later using OneNote's search feature. And that's how to record audio in Microsoft OneNote. Recording audio alongside your notes is a great way to capture important information without missing any details. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more OneNote guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.